discover 7 clever and unconventional ways to save on cleaning products. From transforming dish soap into a versatile cleaner to creating your own all-purpose solution, these tips will not only save you money, but also make your cleaning routine more efficient. Learn how to replace paper towels, reuse everyday items, and even use unexpected household products for a sparkling clean home without breaking the bank. Welcome back to the Cleaning Hack channel. Make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel for more cleaning tips. So let's dive into these budget-friendly cleaning hacks. Number 1. Transform dish soap into a cleaning superhero. Dish soap isn't just for dishes. This versatile product can be a lifesaver when it comes to removing stubborn stains from clothes, carpets, and rugs. By mixing it with warm water and gently dabbing at the stain, you can achieve results similar to expensive stain removers. Furthermore, create a stain-fighting spray by combining dish soap and hydrogen peroxide, which works wonders on stains before tossing clothes into the laundry. Additionally, the dish soap and warm water mixture doubles as an effective cleaner for linoleum and vinyl floors. However, it's important to avoid using this mixture on wood floors, as excess water can lead to warping. The same concoction is a secret weapon for surfaces like countertops, cabinets, windowsills, air conditioner filters, and window blinds. Lastly, for a dazzling shine on jewelry, a mixture of dish soap and seltzer water can work wonders when soaking for just 5 minutes. Number 2. Craft your own all-purpose cleaner. Why spend money on store-bought cleaning products laden with harmful chemicals when you can concoct your own all-purpose cleaner at home? This DIY solution is cost-effective and eco-friendly. To create it, combine 1 cup of distilled water, 1 cup of white vinegar, the juice of half a lemon, and a few drops of essential oil for a pleasant fragrance. This simple yet powerful mixture is highly effective for cleaning sinks, counters, tables, cutting boards, and even refrigerators. The blend's natural components make it safe for your living environment and family members. By utilizing common household items and natural ingredients, you'll not only save money, but also contribute to a cleaner, healthier home. Number 3. Ditch the paper towels for good. Replacing disposable paper towels with reusable alternatives is a smart way to cut down on cleaning expenses and reduce your environmental footprint. Hand towels and old rags serve as excellent replacements, as they offer greater absorbency than traditional paper towels. This switch not only saves money in the long run, but also reduces waste. Additionally, microfiber cloths are invaluable for spot cleaning mirrors, sinks, and counters. They're also exceptional for wiping down electronic devices, eliminating smudges with ease. Embracing these alternatives not only benefits your wallet, but also aligns with sustainable living practices. Number 4. Reuse everyday items for cleaning. Many everyday items can find second lives as effective cleaning tools, allowing you to save money while maintaining a tidy space. Those plastic grocery bags accumulating in your cupboard can serve as bathroom trash can liners, offering a practical and eco-conscious solution. Old toothbrushes, once retired from oral hygiene, become excellent tools for scrubbing tiles, grout, and hard-to-reach corners. Even used dryer sheets, which might seem disposable, can be repurposed as dust rags, effectively collecting dust bunnies and leaving surfaces pristine. By reimagining the uses of these common items, you'll not only declutter your home, but also minimize unnecessary expenses. Number 5. Ketchup, not just for burgers. The tangy condiment you associate with burgers and fries can also prove to be a surprising ally in your cleaning endeavors, particularly when it comes to brass items. Instead of purchasing expensive brass cleaners, simply reach for that bottle of ketchup. Applying a layer of ketchup to your brass pieces and letting them sit for around 30 minutes can work wonders. Afterward, a rinse under hot water, followed by a gentle scrub with a toothbrush, will reveal the gleaming beauty of your brass items. This unconventional, yet effective method showcases the versatility of everyday household products in tackling cleaning challenges, all while saving you money on specialized cleaners. Number 6. Baking soda, toilet's best friend. When it comes to cleaning your toilet, you don't need to rely on pricey specialized cleaners. Baking soda, a common pantry staple, is an excellent alternative that's equally effective. To use it, simply sprinkle about a tablespoon of baking soda into the toilet bowl. Give it a thorough scrub and then flush. The natural abrasiveness of baking soda helps remove grime and stains, leaving your toilet clean and refreshed. This approach not only saves you money, but also reduces your exposure to potentially harmful chemicals found in commercial cleaners. Embracing baking soda as your toilet cleaning solution showcases the power of common household items in tackling cleaning tasks without compromising results. Number 7. Unlock savings with coupons. Before embarking on your cleaning supplies shopping spree, it's wise to explore money-saving options such as coupons. Websites like the Crazy Coupon Lady, Lozo, and Printable Coupons and Deals provide valuable resources for locating discounts and promotions on cleaning products. By checking these platforms before hitting the store, you can enjoy substantial savings on essential cleaning supplies. This strategy underscores the importance of staying informed about available deals and being proactive in finding opportunities to cut down on expenses. Coupon hunting empowers you to make informed decisions while optimizing your budget for cleaning essentials. And there you have it, 7 genius ways to save big on cleaning products while keeping your home spick and span. From transforming everyday items into cleaning superheroes to crafting your own cost-effective cleaning solutions, these tips will revolutionize your cleaning routine. Remember to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving and life-enhancing hacks. Thanks for watching.